Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to allow to install applications from anywhere on your Mac. It's pretty simple, let's get started. Try to open the installer file and we have the error because it was not downloaded from the App Store. To fix it, open the settings, system settings. Next find here the privacy and security section. Swipe down and in security section, we see that we can install applications downloaded from the App Store. Choose App Store and Identified Developers, then use a password. Next try again and we can install this application to our MacBook. If you still can't install the application, pay attention that we have additional information about this application when we open this installer the first time. This information was added and now we can click open anyway. That's okay. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, good luck, see you next time.